again. All right, new angle here. We're going to be talking about feet. So if you have achy or tired feet, or you're on your feet all day, this is a great routine to add to your regular routine because it is very soothing and good for your feet and circulation. So add this to your routine. Some oils that you can use for your feet. I'm using the Deep Blue Rub. I'm also going to use some Rescuer because I am on my feet a lot with 3 kids and just keeping up with our house and such. So I'm applying Rescuer and Deep Blue. There's different ways that you can do your feet. You can use the rounded edge or the flat side. Either one is fine. You just kind of have to see which one works best for you. I'm going to be using the rounded side, and I may switch over to the flat side, but we're just gonna kind of make it your own. So starting with the bottom of the feet, I've applied the oil and the rub all over my feet and all the way to my ankle. So I'm gonna start at the tips of my toes, and I'm kind of keeping it at a 45-degree angle, and I'm gonna put a little bit more pressure on it than I would my face because it's my feet. So I'm just working my way down to my heel 3 to 5 times. So getting those toes in there, and then all the way down. And then I'm gonna start kind of in the middle of my foot and just come down again. Just getting all that area. Making sure you hit all of it. I'm gonna get the sides too. Make sure you get the sides. Again, this is your routine. Make it how you like it. Okay, making sure I got all that. Next, I'm gonna take the heart-shaped part of the stone, and I'm just gonna kind of twist it in the middle of my foot, like this. Just twisting it around a little bit. And then I'm just gonna turn it to the flat side, and I'm just gonna end with some swiping. Swiping down. And get those toes again if you want to. Just swiping down, making sure you get the heel. All right, next I'm gonna turn it over to the top of my foot. It's gonna be kind of tricky. The top of my foot, and my foot's very bony, so I'm gonna use a little less pressure. So I'm just going over the area and pulling up to the ankle. So starting with my toes, same thing that we did on the other side. I'm using the flat side of my stone. Hope you guys can see. Just going over the top of my foot to my ankle. It's kind of hard to see for here. I'm getting the ankle. And you can use the heart shape to get that heel part. That's a good spot. And like I said, make it your own and tell me which way you like it better.